Hey, listen to this. So you're looking for a strong side hustle that you can be doing aside your normal job and be earning some good amounts of cash in dollars. I have a good news for you. I want you to look at this. But first of all, let me show you how much I have been able to make within the last 3 months with this side hustle that I want to show you here. So here is my payment dashboard. First, take note of this website. So I'll scroll down and come here to payment information. And as you can see here, I have $92 here to cash out, even though this is not my updated earning for the month that I'm doing this recording. But just wait. If I come here, you can see that this is more or less a new account that started making me money in the month of September. So here is $32 for the first month, which as you can see here is September. You can also see that my October earning is $92. Now, this is really not my November earnings yet. I recorded this video in November. So usually my November earning will be updated here in the first week of December. So here, how you get paid, as you can see, you don't even need to open a PayPal account or any of those stressful payment method. Your earning will be transferred directly to your Nigerian bank account. And as you can see here, I use UBA. And if I want to change my account details, I can do that here. Okay, let me show you another earning statistics on my phone dashboard. So here is $155, and I will probably record another video within the next 7 days so you can see that I make money from this very account every day really, and I do all that from home. My house is my office is my house. But even if you currently work somewhere, you can spare a few hours in a week to do this simple task, and then in a few weeks from now, you too can conveniently start making even more than what I've just showed you that I'm making on my dashboard. Seriously. So let me show you another way I was able to monetize this same business in another form to sell things. So I'll quickly get into my seller account to show you my dashboard. And as you can see here, I have made 20 sales in different currencies selling things from this same business I'm telling you about. Now remember that this is different from the dollar earnings I just showed you a while ago, but it's still within the same business. Interesting. Information indeed is money. So I am willing to teach you how to start and set up this business for yourself. And if you know me, you know I don't promise shit. I do real hustle trainings, and I will hold your hands from step 1 till you to set up your home business and start making your own money also. But I'm even doing something unbelievable within the next 3 days. If you join this training, I will teach and mentor you for free. Yes, free of charge. But you will have to buy my traffic generation course, which you really need for this business anyways. That course is currently selling for 15,000 naira, but again, I've gone out of my way to reduce the price from 15,000 naira to 10,000 naira for the next 3 days. And if you're paying in USD, it's just $19. If you buy that course, you will pay just 10K, and then I will invite you to my free dollar range side hustle mentorship class for free. After 3 days, of course, I will have to return this course back to its 15K, but the dollar range mentorship class will no longer be free. It's just 30,000 naira. So I expect you to quickly get that 10K course. Send me proof in my WhatsApp DM or email, and let me invite you to my dollar range mentorship class free of charge, and let's start work. Guys, 2024 is already looking at us here. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, then check the video description for the link to get this bonus 10K course and how to send me proof and join in my class. And if you're seeing this video on WhatsApp status, then the link also will be on my WhatsApp. You can also slide into my DM for request of the payment link and how to pay and send me proof. Thank you, but take advantage of this and let's start work so you can enter into 2024 in a good mood. Thank you, and I'll see you in the course.